Welcome back to Structural Basic USA. In the previous video, we converted PSF into PLF. We used a roof live load of 20 pounds per square foot and a tributary width of 8 feet. But here's an important question. Where did that 8-foot value come from? Did we just make it up? Of course not. And that's what we're going to learn today. Tributary width. Imagine a simple roof framing system. Several rafters span from one side to the other, and a beam supports those rafters. When a load is placed on the roof, the load doesn't magically know where to go. It follows a load path. Roof sheathing transfers load to rafters. Rafters transfer load to the beam, and the beam transfers load to posts and foundations. Now let's focus on a single beam. How much roof area belongs to that beam? The answer is called tributary width. A simple way to think about it is this. Every beam owns a portion of the roof. Not the entire roof, only its share. To find that share, we usually measure halfway to the adjacent supports. Half the distance on one side, plus half the distance on the other side. That total distance is the tributary width. Let's look at an example. Suppose rafters span 8 feet to the left of the beam and 8 feet to the right. The beam receives load from half of each span, 4 feet from the left and 4 feet from the right. So the tributary width is 8 feet. Now the number from the previous video makes sense. We didn't choose 8 feet randomly. It came directly from the framing geometry. And once we know the tributary width, we can calculate the beam load. If the roof load is 20 pounds per square foot and the tributary width is 8 feet, the beam load becomes 160 PLF. One common mistake beginners make is using the entire roof width. Remember, a beam only supports its tributary area, not the entire structure. So here's the key takeaway. Tributary width is simply the portion of the structure that sends load to a member. If you understand tributary width, you understand where beam loads come from. In the next video, we'll look at the different types of loads used in structural design: dead load, live load, roof live load, and snow load. See you in the next video.